Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This video contains the answers for the questions which is given in the quiz to 8th standard science lesson number 2, force and pressure. Before going to know the answer, subscribe our channel those who are not subscribed till now. Okay, now let's move to the question. First one, multiple choice question. What is the SI unit of atmospheric pressure? The four options are given. Among these, the option B, Pascal, is correct one. And next one, who invented the barometer? Four options. Again, four options are there. Among these, Torricelli be the correct answer. Option C. And third one, what is one atmospheric pressure in SI system? So here the correct answer is option B, 1 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal, otherwise 1 lakh Pascal. Right. Next, filling the blanks. Dash decides whether an object will float. Buoyant force decides whether an object will float. And next one, pressure exerted by the force depends on the magnitude of the force and the area where that force acts on it. Okay, so the then third answer briefly, which concept is represented in the picture given below? The concept represented in the picture is Boyle's law. Now we are going to know about the definition of Boyle's law. If an external pressure act on a particular point of the liquid, will exert the same pressure on all the point of the liquid. Okay, the Boyle's law, right? And next one, whenever your father travels, he prefers bags with wheels. Do you know the reason for it? The reason behind bags with wheels are nothing but to reduce the pressure as well as to reduce the friction. We are very well known that wheel is the one of the basic machines, the machine which helps us to do the work in a easy manner. Okay, so in this question, to reduce pressure, to reduce friction, and the machines which always helps us to do the work easily. Okay, right, the 3 points are there. These 3 points are the answer for the above. Okay, now we move to next question, that is, axe, hammer, driller are available, which will you choose to cut wood? Give reason. I will choose axe to cut wood because it has sharp surface, so lesser area is going to contact with the wood, So it experiences greater force. Okay, this is the reason why I choose X. Next question. Madhavan used air-filled rubber tube to move from one side of the pond to another side of the pond. What is the principle held here? The principle involved in is nothing but law of flotation. That is the principle which is involved in this case. Okay, right. Now we move to the next question. At Molini's home in Madurai, it takes 2 minutes to cook noodles. It takes 5 minutes to cook in her friend Nalini's home at Kodaikanal. Why? So the atmospheric pressure is reduced when we move above the sea level. In general, hill areas have less atmospheric pressure, so that area took more time to cook compared to plain area. Ramu is trying to move a heavy stone across the ground. His father gave him cylindrical rods to help him move it, give the reason. So here the heavy stone move across the ground produce sliding frictional force. At the same time, the heavy stone moves by the use of cylindrical rod which produce rolling frictional force. In general, the rolling frictional force is always lesser than sliding frictional force. So, the cylindrical rod helps Ramu to move heavy stone easily from one place to another place. We saw the answers for all the question. Thank you for watching. Soon we will meet in the next quiz. Okay? Until take care.